Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yellow potatoes. Begin by choosing firm, unblemished potatoes, then wash them thoroughly under cool running water. Decide whether to peel them. Their thin skin offers extra nutrients and a pleasing texture. Next, uniformly cut your potatoes into 1-inch pieces for even cooking, ensuring consistent results regardless of your chosen method. This simple preparation step is key to a delicious outcome. For delightful roasted yellow potatoes, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss your 1-inch potato pieces with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Spread them evenly in a single layer on a baking sheet, ensuring they do not overlap. Roast for 20 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway, until they are golden brown and tender, creating a wonderfully crispy exterior. To boil yellow potatoes, place your cut pieces in a large pot and cover them with cold water, ensuring there is 1 inch of water above the potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the water, then bring it to a rolling boil over high heat. Reduce the heat to medium and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are fork tender. Drain them completely, then mash with 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of warm milk for creamy results. Roasted yellow potatoes pair wonderfully with a sprinkle of fresh chopped rosemary or a squeeze of lemon juice just before serving. Mashed potatoes are a comforting side for almost any main course, particularly a savory pot roast or pan-seared salmon. For extra flavor, consider topping your mashed potatoes with crispy bacon bits or chives. Enjoy these versatile potatoes as a delicious and satisfying addition to any meal, hot or at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.